let me say something about Charlie. Because Charlie was so close with Charlie, I was always there was a period there where I was like, when I was in England a lot, I would be at every one of their rehearsals. I would be at every one of their gigs, you know, and so I would be backstage all the time. And then when they were playing, we'd be I'd be like sometimes right behind Charlie in a curtain, like with a curtain like this. And he'd be looking back and smiling. People didn't know what he was doing. He'd be looking back and laughing. I'll be laughing with him, telling him something like, and so I got to be real intimate with his playing. And what I discovered was that Charlie, being a jazz drummer, he was a swing guy, right? He knew that. But when he met Keith Richards and became the guy that was going to play with Keith, before it was a big deal that, you know, it was going to be the big Stones and all that stuff, he had to learn how to play with Keith Richards. And I have played with Keith Richards enough to know that you cannot play what you naturally hear with Keith Richards and make it work. Charlie discovered that real early, and what it is Charlie stiffens up. If you can even see it in his neck and when he's playing with the Stones. If you watch it the next time you see it, he's playing, no matter what the tempo is, he's playing like really like this, like real stiff almost. And that is what is allowing for the swing to come through, which is from Keith. And that's basically what Chuck Berry music is. So, and you know, because Chuck Berry by himself is a great old swing orchestra from his period, right? 50s big bands. That's what Chuck Berry is playing. And so the drumming on that usually works really good if it's on the stiff side. It can't be swinging too.
Yeah.
So that's just another look at this whole thing.
That's amazing. You got to do that for so long.
You have to, you know, because that could happen with any of y'all. If you're playing with somebody and they've got a groove that is killing you, but for some reason when you play with them, it's not, you don't feel it somehow. Experiment with that.
What advice?
Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean,
that's amazing.
Yeah, it's just something I learned that early on, and so people always say, and partially correctly, but they always say, "Oh, Charlie Watts could swing. I mean, that's swing," but he was allowing for that swing to happen. He wasn't creating it.